has taken several initiatives for better safety from disasters. Now I am give opportunity for conclusions.
After going through the whole presentation which we have done now, we come to the conclusion that one nation, one climate policy is not realistic at all in India. India is a country who has diverse features, physical features. From Kashmir to Tamil Nadu, it's changed a lot. Kashmir is full of mountains, and if you come to Tamil Nadu, it goes to flatlands. So we come across that it's not necessary, but individual policies can be made, like in the case of Tamil Nadu. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.
Judges and all my audience who are listening to me. Today I am alone in my group because my team member economic culture of Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has a diverse and vibrant economic culture rooted in agriculture, traditional crafts, modern industries and religious tourism. Agriculture-based economy. Agriculture is the main livelihood for a large part of the population. UP of sugarcane, wheat and potatoes, important crops of Uttar Pradesh, especially mangoes in Malihabad. Famous for rural markets like Northeast and East for its textile and leather industry. Known as globally for brass handicraft. Firozabad, famous for glass bangles and glassware. Noida and Great Noida, emerging IT and electronic hubs. Handicrafts and traditional industries, chicken curry, existing and embroidery.
Hello everyone, my name is Ruman Anwar and our group is representing the state of Kerala as I am the Chief Minister named Pinarayi Vijayan. Let's we talk about Kerala. Kerala is a slender state in southwest India known for its unique geography, rich culture and high literacy rate. It's often called as God's own country due to its natural beauty, including backwaters, beaches and spice-laden hills. The state has a history. The state has a long. Let's talk about the feature of the Kerala. Architecture, intricate houses, were the characteristics of the architecture of Kerala. Let's talk about the literacy. Kerala boasts the highest literacy rate in India, and very literate people come from the Kerala. And Pinarayi Vijayan joined Indian Communist Party in 1964, and he was the Cultural Student Federation of Kerala, KSF, which later named the Indian Student Federation. Now, the Agriculture Minister of India, my friend, Hello everyone, my name is Azim and I am representing here as the Agriculture Minister of Kerala. Agriculture Minister of Kerala is P. Ashok. He is the Agriculture Minister of Kerala from June 2025. He played a crucial role in the management of agriculture. Kerala is a state with a more focus on the education and healthcare. It is the 13th most populated state in India, which the economy is the strongest in Kerala. Onam and Vishu, they are the major festivals which are focused on the traditional Kerala. And Kerala is divided into 14 districts, and the capital of the Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Now my friend Abdulaziz will continue the
First, I would like to thank my parents and teachers for giving me a big opportunity to speak about disaster management. My name is Vasu. Today I came here to speak on a very important topic, disaster management in Kerala, a very beautiful state known for its river, waters, hills and green land. Disaster naturally cyclone or fires can happen anytime, anywhere. To learn how important disaster management is to protect life and nature. Don't be scared, be prepared. Safety starts with awareness. Disaster management means being ready before a disaster, responding during it, and recovering after it. In Kerala, like.
Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I want to give thanks for my judges to give me a big opportunity. So our topic is One Nation, One Climate policy is unrealistic in India. Our team members are me, Abu Saif, Yasir Shamsaza and Atif. Will play the role of environmental secretary, and then Yasir will play the role of disaster management, and Abu Saif will play the role of agricultural secretary. So as a CM of Tamil Nadu, my name is as a CM DMK. I held this presidency since August 2018. First of all, I will introduce Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is one of the 28 states of the India. It's located in the southernmost part of the India. It is known for its rich cultural heritage, classical tradition and industrial development. Its capital is Chennai. Its area approximately 1,30,058 square kilometers. Population 72 million, approximately 80 million, 2021 estimates. Its official language Uttar Pradesh in north, Bay of Bengal in east, and the Indian Ocean in south. If we see the Tamil Nadu historical significance, it is the most powerful house of the dynasties in Indian history. Now I give opportunity to Atif Raza.
As the Environment Minister, I am going to present the initiatives of the Tamil Nadu in environmental issues. Tamil Nadu is one of the India's most environmentally developed state, but it also faces some ecological challenges due to urbanization, industrialization, and climatic pressure on its natural resources. Now I will represent the current environmental scenario of the state. So first is air pollution. Major cities of the Tamil Nadu like Chennai, Coimbatore and Madurai suffers from the air pollution increasing the levels. Also the air quality index often reaches from moderate to low levels. Second is water resources and scarcity. Third is coastal zone problems. With 1076 km coastline, Tamil Nadu is vulnerable to sea levels rise, coastal erosion and marine pollution. Fourth is deforestation and the last one is water pollution. River, lakes and groundwater get contaminated with the industrial and domestic waste, and it causes the water pollution and soil degradation is increasing. Now I would like to give opportunity to Officer for Agriculture Secretary.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ausef and I am playing the role of Thiru Murthy, the Agriculture Secretary of Tamil Nadu. And as the Agriculture Secretary of Tamil Nadu, I want to introduce you with the initiatives which we have taken in Tamil Nadu for welfare of the farmers, and as well as the scenario of agriculture. If we come across the agriculture is one of the main occupation in rural sections of Tamil Nadu. Other than this, if we go on urban, there are IT sectors and automobiles. And in the case of automobiles, Tamil Nadu is known as the Detroit of India. So if we come across the crops, which is the commercial crop of Tamil Nadu, then we comes to commercial crop, and then we comes to maize and other crops which are raw material for textile industry. And if we comes to the scheme which we have taken, so there are free electricity for agriculture schemes we have introduced for the agriculture free, those who cannot afford the electricity for agriculture, like processes like drip irrigation and plugging and other processes. Subsidies for fertilizer, like we are providing some funds for buying fertilizers and seed as well, and crop insurance programs. Like in the case of droughts and floods, if the agriculture will get destroyed, so we are giving some funds from ourselves for their welfare. And for the future purposes, for better agriculture yields and youth initiatives, we have Tamil Nadu Agriculture University who work along the agriculture and tell the people how agriculture can be done in the best way in Tamil Nadu. Then we come to the production of crops. As Tamil Nadu is situated in just a way that you can see Bay of Bengal and India is most on the side. Floods are common. In floods common, so we have some methods to save it. Drip irrigation in the case of droughts, and raised soil beds. Raised soil bed is a technique of raising the soil of fertilizer
management of Tamil Nadu. Mr. Ranganatham Ramachandra, who currently leads the disaster management of
financial assistance and policy safeguards. Altogether, ministers signed the treaty. Yes. State of Punjab, stand together, stand united for India's future. We signed the Water Compensation Treaty for justice, fairness and India's future. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.
of the state's economy. Education and healthcare. Kerala has the most highest literacy rates in India. And it is also known as the God's own land. Now, welcome to today's discussion on metro expansion in Kerala. We consider expanding our metro system. We must weigh the benefits of growth against the potential cost to our environment. For today, our topic is, should all states go all in on metro expansion, even if it means sacrificing green or heritage space?
I think it's crucial to consider the long-term impact of metro expansion on a state and development projects on our environment. That makes Kerala so unique.
Prioritize resilience and sustainability in development plans. Now let's start the state position presentation. Thank you for the opportunity to present Kerala's position on metro expansion. As Chief Minister, I'd like to highlight the following key challenges. Balancing growth with environmental sustainability, preserving culture, which aims to reduce traffic congestion and promote sustainable transportation. However, we need to ensure that these projects should not compromise our environmental and cultural values. In terms of state policy independence, I think it's an unique needs and priorities. We need to strike balance.
Metro expansion projects, some of the key challenges we face include minimizing the impact on biodiversity and ecosystems, ensuring that development projects don't harm our natural resources, promoting eco-friendly infrastructure and transportation systems. Currently, we are working on initiatives like the Kerala Biodiversity Board and the State Environment Policy, which aim to protect our environment and promote sustainable development. I strongly believe that states should have the independence to make decisions on environmental policies as they are best suited to understand their unique environmental challenges and opportunities.
As Head of Disaster Management, I would like to highlight the importance of disaster resilience in metro expansion projects. Some of the key challenges we face include ensuring that infrastructure projects are designed to withstand natural disasters, minimizing